Hello, I'm Diana Zhang from We Learn to Share. Today, I'm gonna introduce how to tune the violin. If you got a new violin and flick the strings, you will hear the sound of pitch out. That means you need to tune the violin. As shown earlier on the previous video, we usually tune the A note first, because A is the standard note in the music. Before we start tuning, we need to know about the word A440. A440, also known as Stuttgart pitch, is the musical pitch corresponding to an audio frequency of 440 Hz. It's the tuning standard for the musical note of A. So, when we tune, we need a tuner. A tuner helps to match the correct pitch. You can buy a machine, but there are also some apps for tuning on your phone or other device. If you want to use the latter, you can see many versions of apps about tuning in the App Store and Google Play. I recommend this app. You can hear the correct sound of the pitch, and it's comfortable to use. All tuners will show you how much you should tighten or loosen your string. Before you tune, you should make a sound of your string by drawing the bow or flick it. After you make the violin sound, if the line indicates the left side, your string needs to be tightened. Conversely, if the line moves to the right side, you should loosen the string. It means your string sounds too high. Finally, when it exists in the middle, you are in the correct pitch. Good job! The strings will be tightened if you turn the tuning pegs backwards and loosen when you turn forwards. When you tighten or loosen violin strings, you need to be careful. You should turn them lightly, like soothing a baby, like this. Otherwise, your string will be broken. That situation is very dangerous. Violin strings are made of iron, so if they flicked or cut, and if your skin is close to the strings, you may hurt your face and skin. So, please watch your hand when you tune the violin. Today, we learned about tuning the violin. Steady practice makes you a violinist. Keep it up. Bye-bye.